Hey everybody, I'm Justin.
And I'm Kyle.
And this is Beer City Builds.
So, welcome back to part 2 of the bathroom remodel.
Yeah, we're a little behind on schedule.
So, we try to do a lot of things in this upcoming video, and we missed out on a couple.
We got us some decent progress, and the next video will cover a lot of the loose ends that we missed on this one.
But we're gonna jump into the bathroom now, and we'll get started.
Woo!
Alright everybody, we're back in the bathroom. Today we got a bunch of little projects that we're gonna try to tie up. We're gonna be starting with removing this plywood, sinking this drain down into the floor, and then capping it off.
Next, we're going to move on to the HVAC and extend it further so that way it's flush with the wall, and we'll have a vent coming up right there.
And then we're gonna cut the water lines so that we don't have them running in the wall where we're not using them, and we're gonna cap them off.
And then we're going to cut a slot in the existing joist so that way we can route the water lines around this corner and tee off the toilet.
And then right next to that, we're gonna be adding in a new junction box so that we can add an outlet in the wall right above it.
And then we're going to install a new light above where the new vanity will go in a future video.
And then after that, we're gonna come back to this wall. We're gonna take out the rest of the sheetrock and one of the studs and add in a new stud to make the shower space larger.
And if we have time, we're gonna fix Kyle's little slip up with the hammer in the last video by removing this mirror.
Got the mirror.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. There's actually plenty of room to cap this. Alrighty. Nails removed. Look at you using your noggin to set the right depth. I'm proud.
It's not a TGI. You might be able to get in here, Kyle, once we get the duct out. It's an open whip.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't matter because it's still so deep that, like, to get in there.
Oh, that's sweet.
What?
That's a snake skin.
What is?
It's not a snake, it's just a snake's skin.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, there's a snake skin there.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh,
He was hanging
great.
out.
All right, camera time.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? That's awful. That's gonna freak Mom out. Right.
Well, it freaked
under-
me out.
Oh my God!
Snake skin.
You've got to be kidding me.
Right there.
And where's the snake?
Yep, that's a good question.
Yeah, that's. Is it alive? Is it dead? How long has it been there?
There you go.
Who's really to say?
Oh,
great.
yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it had enough on it.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, you're not. That stuff's bad too. The glue.
It's on there.
I couldn't tell.
Alrighty. As you just saw, we just capped off the drain. We used this primer and this glue to seal it all up.
So, this hole in the floor is going to allow us to reroute this HVAC. So what we're going to do is angle it so it's going towards the wall, and then come up, and we're going to put a floor vent in right here so that it's not in the middle of the room, it's more at the edge.
And we found a snake in our floor.
Yeah. What are we going to name it?
Betsy.
So now line it up to the.
It's lined up.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Pull up. There we go.
Yay.
That was so difficult.
Jeez, this tape is good.
Oh, that was ridiculous.
It's on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to figure out how to close up that other hole. Because if there's snakes living in there, I don't want them coming out.
Why?
Yeah, they're friendly.
Oh man, that was annoying.
Yeah, but it's done.
It's done.
It is indeed
All
done.
right, we're done with part 1. We're
And
done
2.
with part 2.
3 o'clock.
7 more.
Man.
Gosh, why is there a wall here? Can we move this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we're taking out a lot of other stuff. We're all done! Alright, Mom, bathroom renovation's done.
Yeah. Okay. Now I want to close up this hole.
Alright.
It's in. Alright. Floor's back in.
Let's
Got floor.
Let's put that other piece down. Oh, great. There's still a little
There's
hole.
still
Cal, can it slide over a little? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
But then you have a hole over here.
Okay, get in between the two.
I'm gonna fall. Alright,
Yeah, they're coming out.
I'm moving.
Okay.
Alright, everybody. We just finished extending the HVAC back and covering the hole because we found that snake skin in there. And I don't think Kyle's family wants snakes coming in their house. So until next time on that.
So up next we're gonna start working on the electrical panel over here. We're gonna add a junction so we can have a new outlet in the wall.
Let's do it.
That one!
New outlet.
Alright, so we just got the new outlet installed, but it's not connected to anything, so Justin's
Sure
gonna
isn't.
wire up the junction box to connect it to the existing circuit.
Woo!
Let's go!
Alright, everybody. We didn't get quite as far as we hoped for today.
But we did get a lot done.
We sure did. We got the new electrical and junction box all taken care of.
And we got the HVAC extended.
We also trapped all the snakes beneath, so that way if they...
That's why we have this cover on for temporarily, because my parents did want to make sure that if there was another snake down there, that it didn't have access out.
Yeah, little buddy, it's okay if you stay in there. Just stay in there.
But also, yeah, the water lines.
Yeah, the water lines, didn't get to them. We gotta like notch that out, and time's running short, so...
We do know that it won't take too long when we do start, though. But we're making progress.
It's getting there. It doesn't look much different from the last time, but dang it, work was done.
And you guys saw us struggle with the HVAC system
Yeah,
down
that-
under
that
the
was-
ground.
That was some stuff right there. Hey, one step closer to a finished bathroom.
Yep. And then we get to deal with
Kyle's mistake.
more like my dad's prized possession, but I'm excited to get rid
Yeah,
of
I feel
it.
like he's the only person that really wanted it.
So I guess that'll do it for this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying the content we're creating. It really helps us out, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
So stay tuned for part 3 where we aren't sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something.
It's all those loose ends.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. See what I'm standing on?
I still have sawdust in my lungs.
It's good for you. Dang, that was a big one.
That's a really big snake.
Oh
Is-
my
let's-
god.
That's a quality angle you got there. Gosh.